2. Each module from here on out is going to be 2 weeks. And so I have opened up our Canvas page. If you look over here to the left, this is where you click on modules. And at the top, there should be a link to the new updated syllabus with all of the updated due dates. And then it should pop up in your window and you can scroll through it. But what you want to get to, other than the grading, which is still the same, is the new course outline. Here it is, the course schedule. And so here on this schedule, you'll see that things are either in blue for SkyPack or red for Canvas. And what I did on mine, I printed it out and then I highlighted it because I don't have a color printer. So you might want to do the same thing. So highlight all the Canvas things that are due in pink or yellow or whatever color you want, and SkyPack in blue or whatever color, just so that they're opposite colors. So you can see that there's 2 ways to turn things in this class. And so in Module 2, we have the Module 2 quiz, which is due this Sunday, 9:15 at, everything's always due at right before midnight, 11:59, because that's the time that it automatically sets. And that's worth 20 points. And then next week is the second part of our module. It's going to be based on this film, 12 Angry Men, which is located in the SkyPack. And if you go to the Module 2, you click on 12 Angry Men writing assignment, it opens up this writing assignment here. And so this is going to be due actually on Friday, because there are 3 questions, so make sure you watch the film and do the 3 questions. And the film is about an hour and a half, so you do have to set aside some time. You could do it Friday morning instead of being here in this class. Watch most of it and then finish it. It's an old classic film. It's in black and white, but it's very good. It's very much about critical thinking. So make sure you do the writing assignment on Friday night and turn it in by Friday at midnight. So there's 3 questions. And then what I want you to immediately do, or what you should probably immediately do, is click over to Canvas and put in your post on the discussion board. There's another question relating to the film, and so you just have to enter something, nothing major or lengthy, maybe like a paragraph of what you think to answer the question in Canvas. And I'd like you to do that by Friday also, or at least by Saturday morning, so that other people can read it and then have a chance to respond, because everybody's responses are due on Sunday at midnight. And so obviously if you post yours Sunday at 11:45, probably nobody's going to have a chance to read yours and respond in 5 minutes or whatever. So we're going to see how this goes. But this is kind of how each module is going to go. There's typically going to be something due in SkyPack, usually a quiz, sometimes a writing assignment. And when there's a writing assignment, then there will also be a discussion board in Canvas. Okay? Does that make sense? So there's a rubric on Canvas for what your discussion post should look like and your responses. Please make sure you follow the online protocol. Don't be rude. Don't shout at people. All of that stuff. So that's going to be how this next 2 weeks goes. You can always go ahead and watch 12 Angry Men starting now. I think all the modules are open. So you can work ahead in there and do the writing assignments. Just remember to post your discussion posts in Canvas. Okay, any questions on the schedule for the next 2 weeks? Okay, yes?
You can still do module 1 too, right?
You can still do oh yes, sorry, I forgot to mention that. You can still do module 1 because I extended the deadline because some people were having issues getting SkyPack. And so you were supposed to have purchased the SkyPack by Friday. Does everybody here have it? Okay, good. I hope so. But since there were some people that were having problems with their email, what have you, I extended the first module 1 quiz till this Sunday also. So there's 2 things due this Sunday. This was supposed to be due this past Sunday, last night, but I extended it 1 week. Okay? In order to let everybody get caught up on SkyPack. Good question. Any other questions? Yes?
For the responses?
Yes.
Yes.
Just one. So in the discussions, you have automatically been assigned to a discussion group, and each group is about 10 people. And within that group, you can read everybody's responses, I think, and then you are assigned automatically one person to respond to. So hopefully your person posts their response. If they don't, and maybe I should put this too in the instructions, if your person doesn't post their response by Saturday or whatever day you're on again, then I would just randomly pick somebody else and respond to it. It's okay. Okay? We're testing this out, so we'll see how it goes. I didn't want you to just let everybody just pick because they might just pick the same one. It's good to have everybody's read, hopefully. Okay, any other questions? Okay, good. So that is that. I have another opportunity for extra credit. There was also, did anybody do the extra credit? Did you notice the extra credit assignments? Okay, so anytime I announce an extra credit, I will also create an extra credit assignment in Canvas, and it'll say extra credit. Unless you actually go to the event, then just ignore that, because that's for people who did a write-up and they can submit it on Canvas so that I can give them points. If I don't do that, then I have no way of knowing who went. So there's another extra credit that I am going to, I could pass it around. I was going to shoot that, but it takes too long to warm it up. So this is a talk that's sponsored by the Central Fresno State and the Fresno County Library and some other groups that I can't see. But it's a thing called Evicted. Let's Talk. It's a moderated conversation on housing policy, inclusion, and understanding the barriers surrounding eviction. Moderated by the CEO of the Fresno Housing Authority. So it's bringing together experts to talk about the local housing market and how Fresno's housing is actually going through a crisis right now, and to talk about different causes, solutions, and ways to prevent people getting evicted, mostly low-income people, from their homes. So this is Thursday, September the 19th, so next Thursday, from 4 to 5:30 in Central Library downtown. Does anybody want to see it? I can leave it up here, and you can take a look at it if you are interested. So these kinds of things I will announce whenever I see them and encourage you to go, and I can offer you 5 points extra credit for going and doing a quick write-up and submitting it through Canvas. Okay? Okay.